Hey guys, it's TJ here. If you're a do-it-yourselfer like I am, some of the projects you make around the house or in the garage, they get really dusty. That stuff gets everywhere. Take a look. Just last night I hung a few curtain rods, had to drill a few holes in the drywall, and I woke up this morning and there was dust everywhere. I just cleaned this table yesterday and now it's covered in dust. So today I'm going to show you how to make an effective dust filter without breaking the bank. Let's head to the store. Alright, I'll show you what you need to get started. First, get your roll of tape. Next thing, pleated air filter. 20 by 20. I got this one, it's 2 inches wide. And third, box fan. We got our fan. I'm going to flip that thing upside down. Ooh, a little dirty. Your air filter. Just this is going to have an arrow on it with the direction of the airflow. Point that towards the front of the fan, and I have our tape. You're going to want to rip some about 20-inch pieces of tape off here and taper down. A little too long. Now it's important that you get a complete seal all the way around the filter. Otherwise that dusty air is just going to go right around, sneak by the edges of the filter. And I use this blue painter's tape, so when the filter gets dirty, the tape peels off real easy. There's no sticky residue, and you can just replace the filter. That should do it. All right. Let's head to the garage and test it out. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more do-it-yourself projects. Thanks for watching.